Hi everyone, EduO here. Today I'll show you how I built a mount for a solar panel. This video shows you an idea of how to build one on your own. And so let's begin. Here, I am trying to figure out a way to install a solar panel on the roof of my workshop. And then I came up with an idea about building a mount for the solar panel. I drew a sketch and measurements. First, I need 1 1/2 by 1 inch wood with a length of 19.4 centimeters. Next, I need 1 1/2 by 1/4 inch wood with a length of 20.9 centimeters. Next, I need 2 pieces of 1 1/2 by 1/4 inch wood with a length of 30 centimeters. And lastly, I need 2 pieces of 1 1/2 by 1 inch wood with a length of 10 centimeters. Here, I am reducing the width of some wood so that they are all the same width. The next step is to mark all the points in the wood in which I need to drill holes. Another step is to draw circles on the wood in order to curve it. In addition, I need to mark the areas where some of the wood will be joined. After that, I drilled using a drill press. I then finish marking and drilling the rest. The pieces of wood marked with circles were then cut off at the ends, so they could be rounded later. I tried using a power sander but found it difficult to control. So I use a sanding block or strip instead. I sanded the pieces' edges until they were round. Now it's time to join the pieces together, starting with the long ones. Next, I joined the short ones. I also painted the pieces to protect them from the sun and rain. I settled on the white color. The wood components are now ready to be assembled. First, I needed to attach the solar panel holder. After that, I assembled the components with 2 bolts and nuts. Now it's time to mount the solar panel. I connected the solar panel to the solar light. The blinking green light shows when it's charging. I then turned on the solar light to test it. Finally, I installed the solar panel on top of the roof with mounting on the side. The project is now complete. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and get notified of my upcoming videos. See you in my next video. Bye for now.